Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No howls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Please, welcome back to our Lenovo Yoga 530 Kelatos B battery replacement series. In this part, we will continue from where we left off, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the steps involved. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap tent. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and preventing any static damage. And by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically DS screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently pulling the connector out. If you find it difficult, you can use the spudger to assist in lifting the connector. Once disconnected, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, so keep track of them. After removing the screws, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. If you don't have a replacement battery on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get the right part for your device. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is in place, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly attached to avoid any power issues. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good practice to test the new battery. Connect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. If the laptop powers up and recognizes the new battery, you're on the right track. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair, making the process hassle-free. Once you've confirmed that the new battery is working, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, use the Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver to secure the screws back into their original positions. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 530 Kelatos B. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more technical guides and tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. DSC and Deluum, Aldigo de Nosimora Muranasino, Chimpanovia, Ilari.